a new secret exposed a link, right? A new secret exposed link Cyril Ramaphosa to Brown Mokgotsi. Meaning, a secret has been exposed which shows a link between Cyril Ramaphosa to controversial figure Brown Mokgotsi. Okay? To Brown Mokgotsi. Okay? So the connection has been widely reported and is currently under intense scrutiny in the political scene and stems from the past, especially the 2017 elective conference of the ANC. The 2017 ANC elective conference. Remember the CR17 statements that have been sealed by the courts. There's a lot that is in those statements and is now revisited in light